Hey everyone! If you're a student looking to make some extra cash, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 online methods to unlock your earning potential. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, there's a freelancing gig out there for you. Websites like Upwork or Freelancer are great places to start. Just set up a profile and begin bidding on projects that match your skills. Next, consider tutoring. If you excel in a subject, why not teach others? Platforms like Tutor.com or Chegg Tutors can connect you with students who need help in your area of expertise. It's flexible, rewarding, and pays pretty well. Number 3, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale through your link. Start by choosing products you believe in, then share your affiliate links on your blog, YouTube, or social media. Fourth on our list is creating an online course. If you have a skill that others want to learn, create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. It's a great way to generate passive income while helping others. Fifth, dropshipping. This e-commerce method allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Set up an online store, find a supplier, and they handle the rest. Shopify and Oberlo can help you get started. Number 6, stock photography. If you have a good eye for photography, sell your photos online. Sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock make it easy to monetize your pictures. 7. YouTube content creation. Start a YouTube channel and monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Pick a niche you're passionate about and start creating content that resonates with your audience. 8th, blogging. Start a blog about a topic you love, drive traffic to it, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or even your own products. WordPress and Blogger are user-friendly platforms to kick off your blogging journey. 9th, app development. If you have coding skills, consider developing your own apps. Whether it's a game or a productivity tool, apps can be a lucrative way to earn money online. And finally, number 10, virtual assisting. Many businesses are looking for remote help with administration, customer service, and more. Sites like Virtual Assistant Jobs or FlexJobs can connect you with opportunities. There you have it. 10 solid strategies to start making money online as a student. Pick one or two that excite you and dive in. Remember, the key to success is persistence and innovation. Good luck, and start earning today.